In this video, I'm gonna explain how you can buy Robux with Cash App. So you wanna go to roblox.com and right here we wanna click on the Robux icon and we just wanna go to buy Robux. So from here we can select any amount. I'm just going to do the smallest amount, which is 400. And then this is where Cash App comes into play. So for this to work, we will need a cash card. So as you can read from this article right here, the cash card is a free customizable debit card. So how can you get a cash card? Well, you just gotta follow the instructions right here. You have to tap on the cash card tab on your Cash App home screen, get cash card, click on continue, and then you will follow these steps. So here you are also given a little GIF of how you can do it. So after getting a cash card through this method, then what you have to do is go back to Roblox and then you have to select debit card because the cash card is a debit card as you saw previously. So then after you have received your cash card information, you just write it here and then you just have to click on pay and it will tax your Cash App balance and cash card, and that's how you buy Robux with Cash App. So remember, get a cash card and then use it as a debit card to buy Robux with. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.